I'm Dr. Matthew DuBose. I do orthopedic surgery and sports medicine here at NGPG. I'm from Macon, Georgia. I lived there for 18 years. Went to undergrad at University of Georgia. I did medical school at Mercer in Macon, and then did my residency training at LSU in Shreveport and a sports medicine fellowship at Houston Clinic in Columbus, Georgia. I chose orthopedics because, as far as I can remember, I've always enjoyed taking things apart, figuring out how they worked, putting them back together. And then going through my medical training, orthopedics was a way to diagnose a problem, provide an intervention that made an immediate difference. I specialize in the treatment of soft tissue injuries, of joint replacement for arthritis, and for fracture care. The top reasons someone should go see an orthopedic specialist are for an acute injury, some pain that's lasting more than overnight that doesn't seem to be going away. We can get imaging done and help diagnose the issue and come up with a treatment plan. Secondly, a more chronic pain. If you're having issues going up and down stairs, a nagging pain in your knee, hip, or shoulder, there's a good chance there's some inflammation or arthritis involved, and we can help you treat that. And lastly, numbness, tingling, instability, all of these are things that are also abnormal, and we can help diagnose and treat. Conditions I enjoy treating the most are ones that typically the injury occurred on the sports field. It gives me the opportunity to get whether it be the athlete or a weekend warrior, back to what defines them and what they enjoy.